Most business owners suck at running ads, and it's not because their product isn't good, it's because navigating the ads manager nowadays is a complete nightmare. If you've ever tried to launch a campaign, you know exactly what I mean. So I built a tool that lets you launch ads just like ChatGPT. You just type in what you need and boom, there's your campaign. I'm about to show you exactly how it works. If this actually delivers, it could change the way brands run ads forever. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Meta ads that convert created in minutes. And what I did is me and my team together, we combined all the data we had at the last 10 years of running meta ads. And all that know-how is now put into a very simple interface that you can use to set up your own campaign, whether it's for your landscaping business, your small local business, maybe you want to get people into your store, but you don't really know how the ads manager work. This tool will help you tremendously do that very easily, just by having a very familiar interface like ChatGPT that you can talk to, and it will advise you what product photos or videos work best for your specific niche. And it will automatically, you just have to link your meta ads manager and this tool, and it will automatically set it up. But like I said in the beginning, I've made this in a day. So this is the landing page I made. As you can see, AI that speaks your business language, industry-specific optimization. I've put all the knowledge I have specifically because I've been running meta ads for 5 years now. I've put all of it into this model so people can just, all that experience, take it into their ads manager, so to say. It has smart budget allocation, so every day, these are a lot of new features, but every day you can just ask the chat, hey, what spend did I do yesterday and what came out of it? And it will just very clearly, instead of freelancers and agencies telling you, oh no, this CPC, or just complex language that you don't probably understand, this tool just makes it ridiculously easy for you to understand it, and it won't beat around the bush of like, oh, we're still learning. It will just be very straightforward with, hey, this is what you spent and this is what you got out of it, because I feel like that's the most important, just brutal honesty and 100% transparency. So as you can see, instant campaign creation, real-time optimization, professional results by default, smart audience targeting, multi-platform optimization, performance analytics. Like I just mentioned, you can just ask it very easily what happened yesterday with my campaign, and it will just give you a report of what you want to know exactly, and it saves a lot of time. And I think that's the most important part, because obviously you can get into the ads manager, and you might find your way through it by watching videos, but it will cost you a lot of time, and this tool will help with that. Obviously, these reviews, to be honest, are not real. I'm gonna launch ads in the next few days for this tool, and I just wanna make sure that my conversion rate is as highly as possible. So I have 3 different payment plans. We have $97 a month. You can also have a yearly build, and then it will be $47 a month, and you have one-time access for $697 a month. And that's just one time. You get all the features and also new features. It's lifetime updates and obviously unlimited campaigns. So that's very great. And in the next part of this video, I want to show you guys how it works so you get a better understanding of what this tool can do for your business. All right, so as you can see here on the left, we have multiple kind of campaign history, so to say, which are just chats that you can access and get back to. For example, when you launch a spring collection, you can get back to that chat and see, okay, I did this and this is working really well. Maybe I can use that for my summer fashion, which obviously are a long time from each other, but you can still use it as a framework, so to say, of like, hey, this has worked very great. This has gotten great results. I can do the same for another campaign. So that's why I created these chats, so to say, and how you can use it for your own business. So let's say I run an e-commerce store in fashion. Let's just start there. And then it will think about, okay, this is what you said. So e-commerce business often see fantastic results with meta ads. What are your main products? And let's say I sell pants for women that are above the average height and have a hard time finding the right pants because their legs are longer than usual, That's something like that, that they have a hard time, and then it will read this and it will understand, okay, what direction to guide you in, because like I said, I put all the information I know on meta ads. So it says, based on what you've shared, let's focus on your campaign goals. So it's very easy. It's no conversion and then with the pixel, and you just want to either you want to increase sales or bookings if it's like a local business, you want to build brand awareness, you want to generate leads and drive website traffic. Those are the most, like the 4 core objectives. There's a lot of different objectives in the Meta Ads Manager, but I've kept it as simple as possible for at least the prototype, because that's still what it is. So my main objective is to increase sales, and then it will think again. And as you can see, great choice. Increasing sales is a clear objective. To help optimize your campaign for sales, I'll need to know your target audience. So it's just, still, it's very easy. Age range, my ideal customer is between 21 and 40 years old. Their interests are, I don't know, they like to shop at Zara and H&M and just and Uniqlo, for example, just these kind of fast fashion but high quality stores. And obviously these stores don't really have the pants, so that's why I'm saying that. Location, let's say United States, and their shopping behavior is, let's just keep it simple for now. There's no need to get really deep into it. They're impulse buyers, so when it's below, let's say $70, they buy quite quickly at my store. Then you give it this information. Obviously you can have a very long prompt, it doesn't really matter, but for this video I've kept it as short as possible. So then it says, thanks for sharing those audience details. Now let's talk about your budget. What's your daily budget for this campaign? This will help me recommend the best strategy for your goals. So let's say we have $50 a day. Perfect. Now let's make your ads visually compelling. Do you have any product, service photos, videos of your business, or customer testimonials? Yes. And what I usually do here is, I will show you that in a minute, but just upload these product photos as well, because I've trained it in a way where it can analyze these product photos and tell you, okay, this might need change or something like that. All right, so I've taken the time to get some photos. Let me upload them real quick. As you can see, you just press the plus icon and then we take these 2 photos and we upload them. Exactly, so you can see them here real short, but they're very cropped. Now it says, great, I have everything I need to create your campaign. Here's a summary, business type, e-commerce, goals, sales, all the stuff I just gave it. Would you like me to proceed with creating your campaign? Yes, please proceed. My laptop is overheating all of a sudden. Great, I'll start creating. This will take a few moments, and then it will start creating the campaign. As we speak, I'm trying to get the API for Meta, which will obviously help automate this entire process, because that's where the strength of this tool is, and I expect that to be done in the next few days. So I just wanted to show you guys this real quick of how this can work. This can work for any business type. So now I've just taken e-commerce as an example, but you can do this for a local business, landscaping, nail salon. It doesn't really matter, anything that you like, and you just, when you find the ads manager too complex, you can just use this. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed this short demo video. If you want to be one of the first business to get early access to this and actually use this tool for your own business, I've put a link down in the description. Go there, apply, and hopefully I see you guys in the next video.